Welcome. In front of me is a BLUBOO Xtouch, and I will show you how to basically check the root integrity check. And to get started, we'll need to power off the device. So hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device is off, which is indicated by the vibration, we will hold volume up and power key together. Yeah, you can let go now. And once you see the Android logo with the no command, hold power key and select volume up once. And now we're in recovery mode, which from here we will use volume up and down to scroll up and down, and power key to select. So we're gonna select root integrity check right here, and then select it with power key. And it will start going through that process, and it will take actually a couple of minutes. So I'll be back once it's done. Yep. And as you can see, the process is finished. As you can see, system check successful. So the process basically checked all the files of your root folder on the device, and everything is okay. Now if there will be maybe some message something is not okay, then there will be maybe a problem. But as you can see, it's successful, so yeah. From here you can just choose reboot system now, which should be automatically selected, and just confirm it with the power key. And now the device will reboot back into normal Android. Okay, as you can see, it's back into normal system, and the process is finished. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.